Welcome to the MCQI segment session number 12. In this session, we will include first order logic in AI, rules of inference, and the third one is the Wumpus word. So, which is not familiar connectivity in first order logic? This is about first order logic in AI, and the answer is not. As per the diagram, we can see that X is a subject and is an integer is a predicate. Let's see the next question. Inference algorithm is complete only if it can derive any sentence that an entitled version and its truth preserving. So the rule of inference, the diagram, the modus ponens, modus tollens, simplification and resolution. Let's see the third question. Uncertainty in arrives in the Wumpus world because of the agent sensor gives only partial and local information. So this is all about the Wumpus world, and there are various things we can also see. You can see like the agent, that freeze or snatch or the treasure or all these things. We can see all these thing diagrams in the Wumpus world. So all this for the today's session. We will see more in the next session. Thank you so much.